Yo, what's up guys? Steezy Kane back for another video. And today I'm gonna a bless you would be nice. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh fuck. Thank you. I don't know why, I'm just sneezing so much.
If you're feeling a little sick, it's best to go home and get some rest.
Oh God, shit. Are my sneezes bothering you? No one's gonna say bless you? Alright, I'll just go fuck myself. Oh, thank you. No, bless you. Thank you. No. No, bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bro, I've seen you on YouTube.
Fuck. Yeah. Powerful sneeze. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, I'm allergic to pretty girls. All right, have a good day. Thank you. Hey man, can I borrow your tissues? There you go.
I mean, they're expos. I don't know.
Oh, this is board wipes.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, shit. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Do y'all have tissues by chance? No. Oh my God. Can I get your number?
Sure.
All right.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
My name's Barbara.
Barbara, I'm Steezy.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you want to go out sometime?
Sure.
Oh, sorry, I keep sneezing. If you were anything, or if I was anything, I would love to be your bathwater. Bless you would be nice. All right.
Are you sure?
Oh, thank you. Bless you.
Some confusion.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment in the comment section, obviously, because that's where you're supposed to comment. Alright, peace out guys. Thank you. Jesus. Oh my God. Do you think I could get your number?
I don't even know you. You just walked up and started sneezing.
Oh, bless you would be nice.
Well, I said it first time. You just started sneezing.
I would bless you, but it looks like you've already been blessed. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. All right? Okay. You have a blessed day.